I got to add my little cushiony sausages to Freightliner. I can't see it yet though. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where the bloody hell are you? Oh my god, I've no idea where it is and I'm actually getting scared. Oh my god, my face is fate and it comes down here. Dark again. Sorry if I like trip over. Oh my god, lights. Oh my god, there she is. What is that? We're going down. We are going down. What the hell is that? Oh my god. You made me feel so nervous. It's actually making me feel so nervous. It's already here, guys. Is it a truckling train? What is it? It's a truckling train. 100%. It looks like a truckling train anyway. It won't be. Actually, we'll come back over. What the hell is that? What the hell are you? You're 66. Please be 66. Please be 66. What is it? Oh, it looks like a truckling train. Oh, a truckling train. Is it a truckling train? No, what is it? That's not a truckling train. Is it 66? What is it? What is it? Wow, where? Wow. And up there, guys, thank God I seen the video.